The SPS challenge is to enable the certification of products for export to the EU and Northern Ireland. Nearly all the ingredients to make a homemade burger require separate EHCs to certify the individual products. The cheese and mince need pasteurisation certificates and slaughter declarations, which originate at the dairy and abattoir. The salad items may require phytocertification, with declarations originating from the grower. Each of the ingredients require their own certificates and confirmation of their provenance, and we all have a part to play in ensuring the data is presented correctly. By centrally collecting and managing this evidence, we can present the information to the official vet and certifying officers so that they can issue the certificates and you can export your products to your customers.